Hi, my name is Andrea and I'm going to do my very best to teach you how to make a double crochet. All right, so in my last video, I had made 19 single crochets into a chain. I originally started with a chain of 20 and I made single crochets all the way back down the chain, which left me with 19 single crochets. So now to learn how to make a double crochet, what you want to do is you want to get to the height of a double crochet. So what you need to do is chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then what you want to do is you want to turn your work. So again, keeping the hook where it is, turn your work. So now you're looking at the back side of the single crochet. And then unlike doing a single crochet in the same stitch like we did in the last video to build on with more single crochets, because it's a double crochet, and a lot of times you'll see this in a lot of patterns, is that when you make a chain 3, this is the height of the double crochet that you need to continue making more double crochet. So you need to start at this height in order to make more double crochet going forward. And so this chain 3 actually takes the place of and counts as the first double crochet. So you're not going to work into that single crochet that this came off of. So see how we are directly above the last single crochet? So what you're going to do is you're going to just go to the next one. And if we turn it this way, you can see. So you can see this right here is that single crochet on the end. You're going to work into the next one. And this chain 3 counts as the first double crochet. You're going to yarn over and you're going to insert the hook in the next single crochet right on top, right underneath what I call the little oval. And you're going to yarn over and you're going to draw through the hole there, and you're going to pull up a loop, and then you're going to yarn over, and you're going to draw the yarn through the first 2 loops, and now you have 2 left on the hook, and you're going to yarn over again, and you're going to pull through the last 2 loops, and then pull a little bit on your tension, and that is a double crochet. And so now you've got this chain 3 acting as the first, and then you have a double crochet. Okay, so now we're going to do the next one. This one's the next one coming up. So we're going to yarn over. We're going to insert underneath the 2 strands of the top of that double crochet, yarn over, pull through, pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through the first 2 loops. You'll have 2 loops left, and you'll yarn over, and you'll pull through the last 2 loops. Pull a little on your tension to keep the double crochets nice and even and the same size. Okay, let's do it again. So we're looking and we see that our next one is right here. So we are going to yarn over, slide the hook underneath those 2 strands, yarn over, draw through, pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over again, draw through the second set of loops, and then pull down a little bit to tighten. And so you can see your row of double crochet starting to form on the tops of the single crochet from the row beneath. Okay, let's do it again. Yarn over, slide them underneath the 2 strands that I call the little oval, yarn over, pull through, give yourself some slack, yarn over. And so you'll see how this loop is pretty straightforward, but the middle one is crossing over, so be very careful to make sure that you stay on this side of it when pulling through. Okay, yarn over again, pull through the last 2 loops. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish out this row. Okay, and we are coming up on our very last stitch, which is this last single crochet here. So we're going to yarn over, and go on underneath the 2 strands, pull up a loop, yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, and draw through the last 2 loops. And there you should have 19 double crochet, including the chain 3 as one of those crochets. So you will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So like I said before, I really recommend counting what you've done before moving on, because there are some projects where it may not be obvious at first, but if you make a mistake and you are short a stitch, it could really come back to get you down the line a few rows or rounds or whatever you're doing. And then you have to unravel and unravel, and it can be very discouraging. All right, so anyway, that is how to make a row of double crochet on top of a row of single crochet. And like I said, with the singles, you could continue to build on this. You could chain 3, turn it, and continue in the next double crochet over, and you could just do rows and rows and rows of double crochet. And this could make a really cute scarf. Obviously, this is a little short. You would want to probably chain out to here, and so maybe have 40 chain instead of just the 20 that I'm using as this example. Anyway, I hope you found this useful, and I hope that you continue to practice and become very proficient with your single crochets and double crochets. So please comment down below if you have any questions. I would like to do my best to answer any questions you may have. I will be having a video come out really soon for the first project video that you are now ready to do now that you have accomplished making a chain, making a single, and a double. You are ready now to make an Afghan, believe it or not. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.